Hey, what's up guys? This is Brett with Brett's Cell Phone Repair. Today, I'm going to be attempting the fastest iPhone 6 screen repair in the world. That's right, I'm gonna time myself. And if I do have a customer come in, then I will have to shut down, but I'm gonna have a stopwatch right here, and I will pause this so that you know exactly when I stopped and started the clock. So let me pause the video and then we will do this, baby. Okay, so clock starts when I take out the first pentalobe screw. I'm going to be putting on the iPhone 6 screen here, replacing this one. I've already shut this down, and I will be testing the screen during the timing process. So I'll put on this and test it to make sure it works. So here we go, people. Hold on to your hats. It's going to be an exciting one. Okay, so just so you know I didn't cheat, here's the timer again. I will start it and let's continue the fix. Here we go. Okay, time 10:40 something, 10:47. Make sure it turns on, otherwise it doesn't count. Yeah, so I dropped a screw, so I had to find it, and then I had to take apart the home button twice because it wasn't clicking. So that cost me a little time, but hey, $10 or $10 for a limited time. No, 10 minutes and 50 seconds is not bad. 10 minutes 47, whatever it was. So hey, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Love ya.